Alright guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today we're going to be installing this beautiful deep wave unit from AliPearl New York shop. So a lot of you guys know about AliPearl, but AliPearl actually has a store location in New York City in Manhattan. And yeah, they hit your girl with this wig, like, can we get a video? Of course, because we need more Beyonce in our life, right? Yeah, so let's get into this install. So today, of course, I will be using boho products. Y'all know I love my boho, so we're gonna be starting with our boho liquid gold to do the ball cap. And then I'll also be using the lemon burst version of the boho active with Alonzo Arnold. So stay tuned, get your stuff ready, and let's slay. So I believe that this wig was meant to be like glueless or whatever, but if you see how the cap is attached to the side, this is where the ear area is. So I'm pretty much gonna have to cut into the cap here just to make sure that it goes around my ear so that I can pull it forward enough, because I do have a low hairline. So if you run into this problem where you have a glueless wig or a wig that's meant to be installed without bands and stuff, you might want to cut around this. You're gonna have to cut into the cap. Like, there's no way around it. Otherwise, your whole ball cap is gonna be out. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot this. All right, now I'm gonna cut I got some stork scissors. I'm gonna cut the cap off, or the excess cap off. All right, guys, so I secured my cap with the boho liquid gold. This is one of my favorite tools for putting my ball cap on. I love this because, like, it protects my hair. So, like, if I get some on my hairline, it's okay. Like, it makes sure that my hair doesn't rip out. Like, don't put glue on your cap if you don't have to. This is just a safer way. It's, like, actually meant to be on here. Like, you can do your baby hair with it, your edges and stuff. So, you just kind of want to, protect your edges, because you're not always gonna wear a wig. You might want to wear braids one day. Some people don't care, but if you care about your edges, guys, use something that's gonna protect it. Now, onto the makeup portion. So I'm using, this is Chestnut LA Girl Pro Conceal. Y'all know, everybody use this. This is also another of my favorites for putting makeup under my cap. All right, so we got our cap going, gonna get our glue started and continue this install. Okay, so again, the wig is glueless. So since we have our ball cap on, I'm gonna try this on now just to see like how much of my edges would be out before I cut the cap. So this will help me just kind of determine, where we gotta go with this. Okay, so if you can see what I'm saying, so my hairline stops here. The side of the cap is like this. So see how my cap is kind of protruding? I don't know if you guys can see. But so the end of the cap is here. So yeah, I can pull it down like that. I should be okay. But on the other side, you can definitely see my cap. So we don't want to like try to pull too much like this, because when you glue it down, the only thing it's gonna do is eventually gonna just pop up. So for that, I have to cut into the cap to give myself enough space to come around my ear. It sucks, but that's what we gotta do, because hairline gotta be flawless, because y'all see how pretty this wig is. So I want to make sure that we get a flawless install. So I'm going to cut into the cap. I'd rather cut into the cap than have all these edges out. Let me get close. So see, this is the edge of my cap, my hairline. Like, even if I pull it tight on this side, like, it's gonna be super, super, super tight. And that's not good because that causes lifting. And my edges are underneath, and I don't want all that tension on my edges, so I'm gonna cut into the cap. So I'm gonna make a little slit here because this is what's holding the cap from moving forward. So I don't want to cut it, but I don't have a choice because the install is not gonna lay properly unless I cut it. All right, I'm trying to show y'all on camera, but let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. Well, y'all messed up this wig. All right, so I made a little slit like that. All right, so now you see that nothing is showing on this side. Nothing's showing on this side. Problem solved. All right, so now we're gonna start our glue layers. I'm gonna be using the Bold Hold Active Lemon Burst from the Alonzo Arnold edition. So y'all already know, light layers, thin light layers, let it dry. When it's clear, proceed to the next layer. About to zoom through this. So guys, as you can see, this side is pretty much clear by the time I get done with the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another layer on this side. Just make sure that your layers are clear. See how I have this like little area of gathered glue? Just smooth that out. You don't want any bumps and ridges. You want everything to be nice, smooth, and clear. So it dries evenly, and that's gonna give you more longevity with your install. So guys, I forgot to mention that I did clean my forehead, okay? You have to clean your forehead. I cleaned my face, and I also use the Bold Hold Skin Protect. I do use 2 layers of this. I just dab it on with a paper towel. Spray on a paper towel, dab, dab, dab. Sorry if I gotta put that in the video, but this is a vital step. This makes sure that, like, if you have your wig on and you sweating and nasty and all of that, this is the protector for you, okay? Protect your skin underneath your lace. This, like, you're gluing something to your forehead. You have to have something to protect your skin, okay, guys? Bold Hold Skin Protect. Skin Protect. Use it. So far, I am loving this Lemon Burst. It has a nice, refreshing smell. I love Bold Hold products, but the Lemon Burst is definitely like another game changer. Smells very refreshing, very clean. It's not too heavy. Like, I was a little bit worried about having the scent on all day, but it's like fresh. It's not like, you know, I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah. So next product we're gonna be using is Ebon, New York, has a tinted lace spray. This is medium dark brown. So I like these sprays to put on the inside of the cap. I just like them a little bit because they're quick, convenient. The only thing I don't like is that, like, if you have a wig that's not, well, you just gotta be careful because it sprays very hard. So you gotta get 1 to 3 inches away. But see how hard it sprays? So like, if you have a blonde wig, I would not recommend this because, like, this stuff sprays very forcefully and hard, and sometimes it does go through the lace. So you have to end up fixing it. So it's like, it's convenient, but it can also be like an inconvenience at the same time. But yeah, it like definitely tints your lace in like 3 seconds. And they have like 5 shades, guys, so. I wanted to get the bold hole lace tint, but they were sold out. So, you know, had to get the next thing that was available in the beauty supply. Yeah, so as you can see, this is my color. Color okay? Yeah, she okay, she all right. Let's get to this install, y'all. I'm excited. This hair about to have me hyped. Baby, the way this wig about to be stretched. I don't know if I should put it up or leave it down because, baby, this color, these curls, they just giving me life. Already in night style. You know, I might just let it hang for today and then put it up later because y'all know I keep my wigs on forever. Now I'm gonna keep it on for probably about a week or so. But yeah, I'm already loving this install. I'm loving the glue because it adhered instantly. As soon as that lace hit, it was on there. There was no bouncing back up or anything. So yeah, I love this Alonzo Arnold Lemon Burst. Definitely recommend, guys. Definitely recommend. Like, I definitely recommend this. It smells great. It's very refreshing. Like, it's a clean smell. It's not like a heavy perfume smell. So yeah, make sure you tie down your edges. I could blow dry this. I'm not a huge fan of blow drying afterwards. I mean, I'll just do something else like style the hair, but if you want, you can just blow dry. Cool air, cool air, cool air. You never want to use heat on glue, okay? If it's a glueless product, you can use heat, but on this, you want to use cool air. That's gonna lock everything, lock it in place. Lock your lace in place. All right, guys, so at this point, everything else is pretty much optional. I'm gonna cut the lace, but so some people like to do that before. You might want to do your baby hairs before you cut your lace. Everything else is pretty much optional at this point. So yeah, I got a little glue here. It's not dry. So you want to get as close to the hairline as possible. It's hard to see in this camera. Oh my God. I gotta look in my mirror, y'all. I'm sorry. All right, so as you can see, like the lace is still a little bit light. So to fix that, I'm gonna go in and definitely gotta go in and darken it up. It's just not my color. But yeah, if it was though, like, you see that melt though? Yeah, but let me get this together because I can't be going outside like this. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, this is the final look. It's definitely giving wild and can we get into these baby hairs? Baby hairs, those soft baby hairs. Like, I'm for it. I'm here for it. Soft, they soft. Okay, they soft, meaning they don't move. All right, they move, but they don't move. Yeah, so I was gonna like flatten the top, but I love big hair and I don't want to flatten it. I want it to be big and wild and free. Cause if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Yes, bitch, can't nobody tell me shit today. I'm like, I might even try to do like a little flip over. Because, you know, that's how I give it up sometimes. I might do a little quick flip over, you know. Quick flip over on these hoes. They gonna wanna fight. They gonna wanna fight me. Like, anyway, guys. If you wanna order a unit, this is also 28 inches deep wave with the skunk in the front, the 2 money pieces. Yeah, so this is a custom unit. You want to order your unit, you can get any length that you want, color, all of that, because y'all know I specialize in color. But yeah, whatever you want, guys, I make custom orders, so it's not like I just have a bunch of the same wig sitting around. If you want this wig, I will custom make it for you. Okay, so yeah, make sure you fill out the wig customization form and my bio link on Instagram if you want to order a wig, or you can always DM me. You can email me if you want to order a wig. Anyway, communicate. You want a wig, communicate. And yes, guys, a deposit and a full balance is required before you receive your wig. Deposit is required for me to start it. Full balance is required for you to receive it. Okay? And the deposit is non-refundable, guys. All right? This is a business. This is my business. I'm almost a year in business for my wig business, and I'm trying to do something big. I'm not gonna say what I'm doing yet, because you know you can't talk about your plans before they happen, because then that can mess it up. So yeah, guys, if you made it this far, you're a part of the Love Squad. Love you. Thanks. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe, because you know you want to see what I got coming next. Is it going to be hair? Is it going to be makeup? Is it going to just be something crazy? Who knows? You never know on my channel, because it's all over the place. All things hair, beauty, and love. Okay, guys? So, again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, peace and love. Turn around, show it full at the back, do that fluffy thing at the back.